Hey everyone, welcome back to Fence. Today, we're diving into the hottest metal fence trends for 2024. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current fence or planning a new installation, these trends will give your property a modern and stylish edge. Let's get started. First up, we have the trend towards sleek and minimalist designs. Clean lines and simple forms are making a huge splash this year. Think straight, unembellished panels with a focus on functionality and understated elegance. These fences are perfect for contemporary homes, providing a sophisticated look without overwhelming your space. Next, let's talk about customized patterns and textures. In 2024, personalization is key. Homeowners are opting for fences with unique laser-cut designs and textured finish that reflect their personality and style. From geometric shapes to nature-inspired motifs, there's no limit to what you can create. Another exciting trend is the use of bold, vibrant colors. Metallic finishes aren't just for grays and silvers anymore. Deep blues, rich greens, and even warm reds are becoming popular choices. These colors can make a striking statement and complement various architectural styles. Finally, we're seeing a rise in fences that integrate with nature. Combining metal with greenery, like climbing plants or built-in planters, is a great way to soften the look and create a harmonious blend with your garden. This trend not only adds beauty but also enhances privacy and supports local wildlife. So there you have it. 2024's metal fence trends are all about sleek designs, customization, bold colors, and blending with nature. If you're planning a new fence or just looking for inspiration, these trends are sure to elevate your property. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and trends. Drop a comment below with your favorite trend or any questions you have. Should you require professional help, contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.